Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex Spacebound here, and I'm going to be showing you how to create your own card game. Because if you're in my shoes, which is probably why you're watching this video, you want to learn how to create a card game. And I've 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 done my fair share of watching videos on YouTube and like to gather the same information that you're looking for. And I couldn't really find much of like the process of how someone actually creates their game, surprisingly. So hopefully my video helps you out and let's get to it. So at first, I'm going to talk about the artwork. I think the artwork is the most difficult to acquire when creating your own card game. I mean, you can always go on Google and find random pictures to put in your card, or you can, or you can even just copy other people's, like Magic's artwork or Pokemon's artwork or anything you want. Type in League of Legends characters on Google and use them. It's super easy, but just it's not your own, unfortunately. So if you're looking to sell, you can't do that. But if you're just looking to create your own card game for fun, by all means do it. Super easy like that, and good definition. It's whatever. But but the playground.com is how I create my cards. At least my artwork. So here it's an AI generated image program, software, whatever you would call it, website. I don't know. Uh, so all that you do here is you type in the prompt and it comes out, it farts out some artwork for you. It's pretty good, pretty freaking good. Like this is what I've used to get all of my artwork. So here, let me show you a little bit of how you can do it. So you can do image to image, and it comes over here as like a little guideline of what the next generated artwork is going to be. So like how these just printed red, the next one is going to be more like this color. See, it's just like a little base plate for what the next uh generations are going to be. And you also have all of these. It's like different types of things that would be made, like different types of looks. So if I go to Niji SE, watch, it's going to be a little like more cartoony in a way. Um, Here, look, watch. 5 4 3 2 1. 5 4 3 2 1. See, it spits out with something totally different, and you have all of those to choose from. Now, here's the only downside: it is expensive. It is, if I remember correctly, it was around $200 a year. So it's a little high up there, but it's dang good. I mean, you can use it for free, but you only have a certain amount of cards that or artwork that you can generate a day, and a lot of times you can't even get on it during the day because other people are using it. And the way that this works is the people who pay have priority over you. So if their system can only handle so much artwork being generated at the time, they boot you off and you have to wait. And you only get like, I think 50 pieces of artwork that you can generate a day compared to 1,000. And it takes a while to get your artwork fine, like to detail that what you want. See, I started out up here, you know, and then I worked all the way down here. I think I used this one. Here, look, watch. Yeah, see? So, yeah. I would I would highly recommend this. But so the second thing that I'm going to talk about is how to get the kind of um like I don't even know what to call it, but the the name box and stuff like that, like these boxes, just as kind of an outline of, just text, I guess you could say, or image. Anyway, the way that I did it, which is also a way that you can have somebody print your cards, ship them to you in packaging if you want, and this is it. TheGameCrafter.com. It's amazing. It's awesome. But it's not the best. But I'm going to show you a little bit about it. Just a little bit. But here it is. You go to like get started. You can do products and then go down to um, whatever cards, and then go down to poker size, and then poker deck, and then bada bing, bada boom. This is the bulk pricing for the Game Crafter, which is kind of a lot. Look, so I mean it's cheaper. I got them mixed up. uh, like compared, I got them mixed up with the other company that I'm currently using. I have a shipment coming in within a week from the other one, but so it's 149 for 100 cards for the Game Crafter. Now, if you come over to make playing cards, which is more expensive, it is 100 cards to 249, $6.35. So 100, or I guess we could call it 7.95. Yeah. Um. So I think that speaks for itself. But mm, yeah. But okay. So that's the Game Crafter. But let me show you this real quick. My creations, games, Noid's Fate, Noid's Fate deck. This is my cards that I created on this. It looks different. See, a little bit. It looks different a little bit. I have the rank up here now and crap like that. Well, I mean, it always had the rank, but because this is here, hold on. Where's annoyed? Yeah, here. So I had it, but in the program that I have, GIMP, it just makes it easier to do some stuff like with the kind of swirly outline around it. I did that in here. I did a lot of crap in here, but that's just how I got it. I saved this image and I took it into GIMP, cut around everything that I needed to, and just started, editing it on this. But so yeah, that's how you get the artwork that you need. Well, not the artwork, just a way of getting either your cards printed and all of that jazz, or to actually create your own card. Custom game cards you can only print, but I'm really hoping that it looks better than the Game Crafter, because you can't see, but these are the cards that I printed off of them, and uh, it's darker than I wanted it to be. But yeah, see, there's the card that I just showed you. It's darker, like just the overall print is way darker. It's pixelated, so I'm really looking forward to seeing if make playing cards is just better, because if it's not, then I'm gonna have to do a lot of work editing some images. But so I'm praying. So after showing you all of that, I'm going to show you how to actually create your card. So if you have done what I did and went to the Game Crafter and just, did a little rough draft of your card, you can save that and then bring it over here in GIMP. And the way that I did it, let's see if, yeah, see how all of these are individual, like the boxes. I just cut around that in this program, GIMP, which is absolutely free. You can do it. It's it's awesome. It's awesome. So Once you do that, or even create your own boxes in here, it's up to you. So yeah, I mean, you just get your card. Well, here, let me show you the process, I guess, of how I do it. So let me get rid of him. Open as layers. Find artwork that I can use. I guess I've been meaning to make him for a while. So you shrink it down. Oh, one thing that I need to show you. If you do decide to use the playground, always use this size, 3.4. It's 768 by 1024. It's just the best bet that I found. So you do that, scale, readjust, and then adjust it to where you want, which I will put it right here. Looks good. I wish he was more centered. Eh, no, it's actually pretty centered. So you do that, and then here's the different types of cards. Like this one's a null type, and then fire type, evermore, water, and then that's Firma. So I want him to be null, and then I just have all of these different. See down here, I just put them all in the same spot, and so I can just click for whichever one that I want, them to be. So Noid, null, and I'm going to have him for his prowess, I want him to have magic. Yeah, magic. All right. And because anytime that I change this, it moves, I put all of these kind of outlines to where I can move it to the exact same spot as the like all of the other cards that I made are. Even down here for Noid, uh outline. And then even for this outline. Because on all of these, they're everywhere. They're just not consistent. So I learned from that. Um so yeah, you just do that. And then filters, light, shadow, name, highlight, and then boom. There it is in the correct spot. And for his rank, I want him to be a 2. No, you know what? I'll make him a 3. I haven't made too many rank 3 nulls. So after you get done with that, then you just, you know, type in whatever. When a um, null type Noid is drafted onto your battlefield, uh, draft a rank 2 Noid from your graveyard. Nope, from dormant. Dormant is like my graveyard. You're dead. It's dead. And then you just one. I'll make his strength 900, and his resting strength 700. Because they mostly go up by increments of 200. There's no, 800 or 600. It's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on and so forth. Then boom. And then for this, I'm going to make him, because I'm probably not going to keep that effect just because it was rushed, but I'll keep him as an uncommon. So filter, light and shadow, set, because I have it a different setting as the name. You align it, and then take off the framework. Oh, I need to change the retreat too for the rank. So yeah, guys, that is how I create my card game. So if you guys found this useful, and if you are on the way to making your own card game, tell me in the comments because I'm very interested in seeing how you how you progress in your adventure of creating your own card game. And if you do, uh, go to the Game Crafter and actually create your own card game and everything, and post it up on sale. Put it in the comments because I will check it out, and I may even buy some because I'm always interested in looking for new cards, new card games to play. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Hope you guys found this useful.